Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Facebook page name. So it's really simple and easy. So first of all, just open up the Facebook application on your mobile and then tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner. You have to switch to the page where you want to change the name. I'm actually on my personal profile, so I'm going to tap on this switch page. Now I am switching on this page right here. So now I am on my page. So if you tap on these three dots, you will not get an option from here. All you have to do is you have to tap on your settings icon and then just hit page settings. And now right here, you can change the name of Facebook page name. So if you tap on this name, and you can see that this is the my page name, and now I can edit the page name. Like I just want to change it from, so if I want to change the name from magical pills to digitated zones, so after deciding the name, when you are happy with the results, you can just tap on this review change to change the name of the profile page. But keep in mind that you can change the name of Facebook page once in 7 days. So now you can see that I have to enter my password, and you can see your current page name and your new page name, and it says that review might take up to 3 days and require additional information. If your name change is approved, you wouldn't be able to unpublish the page or change the name again for 7 days, as I said before. If you still want to change the Facebook page name, you have to enter your Facebook password and then hit on save changes. And that's actually all about how to change Facebook page name. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.